The future of humanity. What if we started genetically modifying ourselves, a new era of evolution, designed by us? For millions of years, evolution shaped humanity through natural selection. But what if we took control? Imagine a world where humans are no longer bound by biological limitations, where intelligence, strength, and even lifespan can be altered at will. Genetic engineering is no longer just a futuristic concept. CRISPR and other gene editing technologies are already revolutionizing medicine. This might be the most mind-blowing topic you see today. But what happens when we start applying them to ourselves, not just to cure diseases, but to enhance human capabilities? Could we create superhumans? Would society divide into genetically enhanced elites and natural-born humans? Or worse, could unintended consequences spiral out of control? Imagine children born with an IQ of 300, capable of learning languages in days and solving problems beyond our comprehension. Scientists are already identifying genes linked to intelligence, and theoretically, they could be modified. But with great intelligence comes great risks. Would natural-born humans become obsolete? Would a global intellectual elite emerge controlling knowledge economy and politics? Could AI and enhanced humans merge, forming a new species altogether? This isn't just theory. Some researchers suggest that the first genetically enhanced humans could exist within the next 50 years. As the possibilities unfold, society must grapple with the implications of such advancements in intelligence. The question remains, how will humanity navigate the balance between progress and ethics in this brave new world? As advancements accelerate, global cooperation will be essential to establish frameworks that ensure responsible use of intelligence enhancement. In this evolving narrative, the fight for equality and rights will shape the dialogue surrounding the rise of superminds. Ultimately, the future will depend on how society chooses to embrace or resist the changes brought about by intelligence enhancement. The journey of superminds is not just about intelligence, but also about understanding the human experience in a world transformed by science. What if we could redesign our muscles to be twice as strong, our bones to be unbreakable, and our endurance to surpass the best Olympic athletes? Gene therapies like myostatin inhibition could give us superhuman strength. Altered pain receptors could make us resistant to extreme temperatures and injuries. Enhanced immune systems could make diseases a thing of the past. But then the question arises, would these enhanced humans still be considered human at all? As society grapples with these enhancements, deep questions about identity and ethics begin to surface. Some embrace the changes, seeing them as a path to a brighter future, while others fear the loss of what it means to be human. In this new world, the line between human and superhuman blurs, creating both awe and uncertainty as society adjusts to these remarkable advancements. Conversations about ethics, rights, and the definition of humanity become increasingly relevant as more individuals consider the enhancements available to them. As communities begin to accept enhanced individuals, a new culture emerges, celebrating diversity while navigating the complexities of identity. Education evolves to address the ethical ramifications of enhancements, preparing the next generation for a world where human potential knows aging is caused by cellular damage, genetic mutations, and telomere shortening. But what if we could stop or even reverse aging? Scientists have already extended the lifespan of mice by 30% using genetic modifications. Some believe humans could soon follow. Imagine a world where people live 500 years or longer. But would society collapse under overpopulation? Would only the rich have access to immortality? What happens to human ambition if death is no longer a concern? This could be the greatest breakthrough in history, or the end of it. The quest for immortality has begun with researchers pushing the boundaries of science to unravel the mysteries of aging. As knowledge expands, debates ignite about the ethical implications of prolonging life and what it means for humanity. In a world where life is extended, how will we cherish our connections and pass on our legacies? Will we create a vibrant society that celebrates both youth and wisdom, or will we face unforeseen consequences? The blending of generations could spark innovation and creativity, redefining how we learn and grow together. As our relationship with time shifts, what new meanings will we find in our lives and experiences? The pursuit of conquering aging could lead to unimaginable transformations in our existence, but at what cost? The journey toward immortality raises profound ethical questions that society must confront as we stand at the threshold of it. What if parents could design their children, choosing eye color, intelligence, height, and even personality traits? China has already experimented with CRISPR gene editing in embryos. If this becomes common, the natural process of evolution could be replaced by genetic selection. Would natural-born children be discriminated against? Could we accidentally create genetic flaws leading to new diseases? Would governments control genetic modifications for military or political advantages? Could genetically modified soldiers, faster, stronger, immune to pain, become the future of warfare? What are the broader implications for society, and what does the future hold for humanity in this new era of genetic engineering? As the lines blur between natural and engineered, society must grapple with questions of identity, equity, and the essence of what it means to be human. The quest for designer babies not only promises advancements, but also challenges humanity to reconsider our values and what it truly means to create life. In this brave new world, legal and ethical battles will shape the future of genetic technology as society reckons with the implications of playing God. Navigating the complexities of this new frontier will require a delicate balance between innovation and ethics as humanity seeks to harness the power of genetics responsibly. While the potential benefits of genetic modification are immense, the risks are equally terrifying. Genetic inequality. Only the wealthy could afford enhancements, creating a new form of class warfare. Unintended mutations. A single mistake in gene editing could create unforeseen diseases or disabilities. Ethical dilemmas. At what point do humans stop being human? Scientists warn that genetic engineering is like playing with fire. Once released, there's no going back. The consequences of genetic engineering extend beyond science, touching upon fears deeply rooted in society and ethics. Public opinion is divided as people grapple with the profound implications that genetic engineering has on their lives and future. As society weighs the potential benefits against the risks, the conversation around genetic engineering becomes increasingly urgent and complex. The vision of a genetically enhanced future holds promise, yet raises questions about accessibility and morality that cannot be ignored. As the debate continues, the impact on future generations hangs in the balance, shaping a reality we can only begin to understand. The silence of abandoned labs speaks volumes about the profound ethical dilemmas faced by scientists leaving society to ponder the divide. By 2092, humanity was no longer one species. Genetic enhancement had started as a medical breakthrough, curing diseases, fixing defects. But soon it became a choice. Better memory, stronger bodies, longer lives. Now the enhanced thrived while the natural-born struggled to keep up. Elias had worked hard his whole life. He wasn't weak, but every day he felt the gap widen. His boss processed information faster than any human should. His neighbor ran marathons effortlessly. Even children spoke multiple languages before they started school. Then came the choice. A new law, free genetic enhancement for all. One procedure, one transformation. No more sickness, no more aging. Elias stood at the clinic's doors. Inside, a doctor smiled. You'll never feel weak again. But as he hesitated, he wondered, if everyone took the leap, would the world still be human? Was this evolution or extinction? Would you do it? Drop a comment. Like and subscribe.